Hi, hello, welcome to our EduTech channel. Here we are going to explain about what courses we can join after completing class 12. This is for pure science students and biomath students. Now we can see about medical related courses. MBBS, BAMS Ayurveda, PHMS Homeopathy, BUMS Unani, BDS Dental, BVSC AH Veterinary, BNYS Naturopathy and Yogic Science, and BPT Physiotherapy. Here you can see from MBBS to BNYS need is needed, and for BPT need is not needed. About that we can see at the end of the video. And now we can see about UG courses. BSc Physics, BSc Computer Science, BSc Mathematics, BSc Chemistry, BSc Botany, BSc Zoology, BSc Biology, BSc Agriculture, BSc Microbiology, BSc Biotechnology, BSc Geology, BSc Horticulture, BSc Nursing, BSc Nutrition and Dietetics, BSc Home Science, BSc Forensic Science, and finally BSc Dairy Technology. Now you see here I have noted nursing. Nursing is a paramedical course where I will explain at the end of the session. Now we can see about engineering courses. This is for computer science students and biomath students, and it is not for pure science students. Now see mechanical, electrical, civil, ECE, EEE, aeronautical, automobile, biotechnology, biomedical, bioinformatics, chemical, marine, aerospace, ceramic, metallurgical, petroleum, instrumentation, industrial, computer science and engineering, mining, power, production, robotics, construction, textile, tool, transportation, environmental, mechatronics, and telecommunication. I think you may know in this list about 8 to 10 courses, but see there are many courses in engineering. If you are well in physics and mathematics, I will suggest you can take engineering courses for sure. Because many of them saying engineering courses is not good as there before, but it's not a true. You can take engineering courses. In the next slide, you will see about the specializations that are in engineering courses. That specialization is all about in here. Wait a moment. Here you can see ECE, EEE, robotics. These are based on the specializations that are in the next slide. Now we can see about specializations in the engineering courses. Here you can see artificial intelligence and machine learning, cloud computing, cyber security and forensic, Internet of Things, smart manufacturing and automation, cloud, DevOps, and automation. Here, the growing courses are artificial intelligence and machine learning, then cyber security and forensic, and at last, Internet of Things. As we in these days we use more of AI things like Google, Alexa. These are developed from the artificial intelligence and machine learning and Internet of Things. So I will suggest three courses in this specialization: artificial intelligence and machine learning, and then cyber security and forensic, then Internet of Things. Now we can see about other courses. BArch, Architecture, BCA, Defense Force, that is Indian National Army. There are three types in Defense Force. One is Navy, another is Air Force, and another is Army. Then teaching, law, travel and tourism, environmental science, fashion technology, hotel management, designing, media journalism, film television. Now we can see about paramedical courses: radiation technology, physiotherapy, occupational theory, nursing, dialysis theory, medical lab technology, optometry, X-ray technology, nuclear medicine technology, operation theatre technology, medical record technology, medical imaging technology, anesthesia, and cardiology. Here, as I said earlier, physiotherapy and nursing, these are also paramedical courses. I will strongly suggest these paramedical courses for NEET students and non-NEET students. As don't worry, if you don't select it in NEET, you can sure take paramedical courses. Now we can see about pharmacy. Now B Pharm. B Pharm is Bachelor of Pharmacy. Then D Pharm, Diploma in Pharmacy, and at last Pharm D, Doctorate of Pharmacy. You may ask, what is the difference between PharmD and DPharm? PharmD is Doctor of Pharmacy and DPharm is a Diploma in Pharmacy. PharmD is a doctorate course and it is a 6 year study, whereas Diploma in Pharmacy can be taken after completing class 10 and after completing class 12. In upcoming video, I will post about the pharmacy related subjects. And now you can see Bachelor of Pharmacy, Diploma in Pharmacy and PharmD. In these courses, PharmD course is a 6 year course. Well, as I said, you can use doctor before your name. Dear viewers, thank you for spending your precious time. Dear viewers, like, share, and subscribe our EduTech channel, and don't forget to click the bell button for getting updated information from our EduTech team.